और यम नियमात्मक सत्य, अहिंसा, अस्तेय, अपरिग्रह, ब्रह्मचर्य, शौच, तप, स्वाध्याय, संतोष, ईश्वर प्रणिधान और सत्य प्रणिधान. दिस इज कॉमन टू एवरी भारतीय ट्रेडिशन. Even those in Bharatiya tradition who do not accept Ishvara, who do not say Atma continues or Atma is Shashvat, immortal, they do not accept that. But they accept this. Unity, diversities of unity and Yamaniyamatra. And therefore, Tathagata is described. Sabba papasya akaranam. Stay away from all papa, evil deeds. Kusalasya upasampada. Carry on with your life without disturbing anyone else's. That is kushalata. Yoga karmasu kaushalam. That kaushalam also is the same kaushalam. And then Satchitta Pariyodapanam. Doing this, you have to purify yourself, your heart. All sampradayas in Bharatiya traditions, they lead to one thing, they purify you. That Chitta Shuddhi, that is brought up. Etat Buddha Anusasana. This is the Anushasana of Buddha. This is the discipline of Buddha. All disciplines, they say the same thing. Kural, I think verse number 35 describes Alukar Ava Vekuli Hinnasul Nalugam, that is hatred, lust, anger, and foul speech. These four. Ilukka aram. Ilukka another aram. This, anything without these four is called dharma. That is what it is. So, we have selected this as our theme of this third conference. What we have to do, if Ayatanam is expansion or growth, we have to reach out. There are so many Hindus which we have not yet touched. Ours will not be a movement or an agitation or a group which is very powerful among the Hindu society. Ours will be group which will expand and organize whole of the Hindu society. We have to go everywhere, touch everybody. He may agree on some things, he may not agree on some things. But we have to connect everybody to this pravaha, this stream. Because we have a duty to execute. Today's world is now stumbling. For 2000 years, they have performed so many experiments to bring about happiness, bliss and peace. They have tried materialism, they have tried communism, they have tried capitalism, they have tried with various religions. They have achieved material prosperity, but there is no satisfaction, no santosha, no samadhana. So many things we have progressed in our knowledge, material knowledge. but also we have become more violent. All these things are happening. So much development and so much deterioration of the environment. All this. So there is no bliss and peace. And now, especially after Corona period, they have started rethinking. And it seems they are unanimous in thinking that Bharat will provide the way. Because Bharat has that tradition, Bharat has done this before. We have proved this on and on. And therefore, they expect from us. And now, very birth of our society and our nation is for the same purpose. Once upon a time, when everybody ran after happiness, that happens all the time. We live for happiness. So we sought happiness outside. Everybody in the world. And when it was found that, yes, material happiness is there, it is real, but it is incomplete. There was a stream, people in which said that, okay, if it is incomplete, life is incomplete. There is no completeness in anything in the world. So let us stop here, don't search, go in this direction only, find more and more happiness outside. But people in our country, they did not stop. They said, okay, it is not found in, the happiness is not to be found in outside. We will search it inside. And they went on searching, and one day they got the truth. That everything that appears many and diverse arises out of a single unity. And that unity is permanent, and at all levels it is real. So, this unity, if we get to it, if we can realize it, if we can experience it, then we get satisfaction. Hankering after happiness stops, because now we have everything we want. There is nothing we want. So when this was realized in our country, our rishis, our munis, they thought that means if everything is one, that means everybody is our relative, my own. In his happiness, I find my happiness. So if I have got this very important truth, by realizing which I stop hankering after material happiness, and I feel that I have got everything now. So I have to impart this knowledge to everybody. So there was a gigantic effort went on for how many centuries, don't know. This is before history opened its eyes. This has happened. It has been recorded in our Veda. Om Bhadram Icchantu Ruchya Swarvitaha Tapo Diksha Upase Duragre Tato Rashtram Balam Ojashchana. The benevolent rishis for the benefit of the world, they undertook a hard penance. And through that, our nation was born. And that is why, before anybody, Hindus went to nooks and corners of the world. Pre-Christian, pre-Islamic traditions, if we study them, prevalent all over the world, they have the same Sanatan principles. Their worldview, their view of life their ideas about individual conduct, they are all the same. And now they are persecuted a lot in the world. But they find solace in Bharat. When they come here regularly. Once in 4 years. They also have their confidence. And they say, we find peace only when we come to Bharat. There is some connect that we have forgotten, but that connect is there. We realize it. And now everybody is saying that. Some months back, the World Muslim Council's Secretary General, he came to Bharat. And in his speeches there, he said that if we want harmony in the world, Bharat is a must. So, this is our duty. This is why Hindu society came into existence. All the Sanatana traditions, they do this very thing. Their worships may be different. Their disciplines may be different. Their darshana, philosophy may be different. But starting point is the one and goal is the same. So this is our duty now. And for that, we have to reach out, connect everybody. First stage, connect every Hindu. And Hindus together then will connect with everybody in the world. As Hindus are connected in more and more numbers, the process of connecting with the world societies has also started. We can see that Hindus have started playing role for Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. So connect with all Hindus, and Hindus' God-given task is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, Kutumbakam Vishwamaya.